Starter motor wiring is the essential circuit that connects the battery, ignition switch, solenoid, and motor, enabling the engine to crank and start. It's a simple yet critical system for internal combustion engine vehicles. In essence, it's the electrical pathway that allows your car to start. The circuit begins with the battery providing power, flows through the ignition switch when you turn the key, activates the solenoid to engage the motor, and finally cranks the engine. Here's a wiring diagram showing the connections in detail. And this diagram illustrates the internal components of the starter motor itself. The first key component is the DC motor, which provides the rotational force to spin the engine during startup. It consists of an armature with windings that rotate within magnetic fields created by field poles. Next is the solenoid, acting as a high current relay switch. It receives a low voltage signal from the ignition switch and then closes a circuit to allow high current from the battery to reach the starter motor. Finally, the gear mechanism engages the starter motor with the engine's flywheel. A pinion gear driven by the motor meshes with the flywheel's ring gear, transferring rotational energy to crank the engine until combustion begins. A standard starter wiring setup connects the positive battery cable to the solenoid's main terminal, known as B+. This provides the high current needed for the starter motor. The ignition switch connects to the solenoid's small terminal S, which activates the solenoid with a low current signal to close the relay. From the solenoid, the output leads directly to the starter motor's armature, delivering the cranking power. Finally, a ground path returns the circuit to the battery negative terminal, completing the electrical loop. Diagrams often include parallel accessory paths that remain powered during starting. A neutral safety switch prevents accidental starts by only allowing the circuit to close when the transmission is in neutral or park. Turning the ignition key sends a small electrical signal to the solenoid. This low current path activates the solenoid coil. The energized solenoid coil creates a magnetic field that pulls the plunger forward. This mechanical action engages the pinion gear with the engine's flywheel. Simultaneously, the solenoid closes a high current circuit from the battery directly to the starter motor. This allows 100 to 200 amps to flow through the motor windings. The high current causes the motor to spin rapidly at 100 to 300 revolutions per minute. This rotational force is transmitted through the pinion gear to the flywheel, cranking the engine and starting the combustion process. Current trends in starter systems lean toward electrification and efficiency, with traditional mechanical components being replaced by electric alternatives. 48-volt mild hybrids are increasingly common, using starter generators that improve fuel economy by reducing engine size and enabling regenerative braking. Smart solenoids equipped with microcontrollers provide real-time diagnostics via OBD2 systems, predicting failures and reducing maintenance costs. Cybersecurity is a growing concern, as hackers could potentially target starter circuits in connected vehicles, compromising vehicle safety and control. Many new vehicles, especially hybrids, now use motor generators that act as both a starter and generator. These systems improve efficiency by 10 to 15% compared to traditional starters. They also play a role in regenerative braking, where kinetic energy is used to recharge the battery. Faulty solenoid wiring is a common problem in starter systems, often caused by corrosion, especially in humid climates. Corrosion builds up on connections, creating resistance that prevents proper current flow. This appears as rust and grime on the starter components. Poor connections lead to voltage drops, which can be diagnosed using a multimeter to measure electrical flow and identify weak points. Overloading the system, such as drawing too much current, can cause solenoid burnout, damaging the electrical relay. Newer designs incorporate sealed, corrosion-resistant components to prevent these failures and extend system lifespan. The future points toward the obsolescence of traditional ICE starters in passenger cars by 2030, replaced by motor generators in hybrids or direct motor propulsion in EVs. Innovations like solid-state relays and graphene-based wiring promise increased efficiency and lifespan. The focus is shifting from mechanical cranking to integrated power management.